Pa. Pilit.
Paano mo yung ipulin siya.
Nose.
Mga
Nose one.
tapos. Wala oh. Hindi ko man
Hindi
guba.
ma-open.
Hindi ko man guba lang na.
Ah. 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 Awa. Ano? Ah. Na-open? Open? Open? Amin, tani.
Mommy, what's this? This
Pwede mo
is a
ka
fruit.
makatista, be?
Open.
May pwede mo makatista.
Hmm. Kuha na to siya ipa...
Sakin.
Yan na, ipa...
Uy,
Audition?
Napaldi.
Workshop sa siya, ipa-workshop.
Ni. Ni.
What's this?
Ita.
It's just like a stand-up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that? That's a holder.
Nakanit.
It's a holder.
Nakipaldi.
This one's a booklet. Oh, there's an instructions in there.
Open it.
No, we don't need to open it. All you need is to put it inside the box. And what's this for?
Ita.
Yeah,
Daddy.
I have the towel for the screens. Look at that.
Ah.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Ito. Bye-bye.
First things first lang ah. Tagal lang.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. We're on our way we're getting ready for our trip to Leyte. First of all, we have to ride a bus or a VR, a van,
That's
in order to get into the Cebu City, and next ride a taxi to the dock. What's wrong with your eye? I like your eye. It's like a doll. I like your eyeball. Huh? It's really dark. It's like you're wearing contact lenses. Are you wearing a contact lenses? Nope.
No.
No, yeah, I know. Because that's your real eye. That's mine. That's my extra cover for my action cam. That's mine. What are you doing? Put it back. Put it back in. You might ruin it. You might.
Okay,
you
we're
might
done
break it.
unboxing.
We're done, and
Bye
see
bye.
you later. See you later.
Click here below.
Kikili below.
Next time lang mag-practice na
Okay.
practice ka.